Hello TTMers and sports card collectors out there, G4 Webhead here. This is going to be my box break video for 2011 in a playbook. Got 3 boxes that I'm doing. I've already taken the plastic off, so I wouldn't have that to worry about. But I haven't opened them or anything like that. I'm going to do the first one. First one of these I've ever bought. There's a little checklist. Packs. Just two. There's the 3 little ones. That will be the book. Packs. First card. Of course, it'd be a redemption. This rookie signature. Of course, it'd be a redemption. Hopefully, it's not anybody big. So that would totally suck. Card 54, rookie signature. Let's see, rookie signature. Alden Smith. I don't know if I'll redeem them or not since they're expired. But second pack. Grassroots jersey, Santi Shanko, numbered out 49. Third. This is Accolades autograph, Bernard Berry, also numbered out 49. And lastly, which will be the book. It's going to be a numbered out 399, Stephen Ridley. That's a fairly nice looking patch. So that's box 1. Box 2. I'm trying to go through these as fast as I can. I've seen a lot of other people do videos, box break videos, and they just go through them just one after the next. I can't go that fast. Okay, second one, Grassroots jersey, Felix Jones, numbered out 49. Next, it's a rookie autograph, Mason Foster, numbered out of 299. That feels kind of thick too. Grassroots patch card, Miles Austin, numbered out 25. And the second book is number 399, Alex Green. So there's that. And lastly, final one. Last box. Rookie autograph, Phil Taylor. Numbered out $2.99. Next. Grassroots jersey, Tamba Hali. Numbered out 49. Next. Accolades, autographed, Bill Bates. Numbered out 49. And final pack. Numbered out of $3.99, Andy Dalton. So that's a fairly nice one too. So that's this box break. Did a little better than I expected in time wise. So that's everything. They cards will be available for sale or trade if anybody's interested. So just send me a message if you're interested. So with that, hope you all have a good evening out there. Stay strong and stay stout. Talk to you later.